50%.
Anything between 40 or 50% would seem fair.
Around 40% for nature.
Velho medicine species ngango 50%.
All of it.
Hopefully 100%, but I would settle for at least 50.
They should have all of it. We should work around them.
I think about 60%.
7 to 8% is decent.
I think 10% for oceans is a bit low.
Between 12 and 15%.
I think we should leave 60%.
50-50, it's great.
Setting aside 17% of the land and 10% of the oceans in protected areas is far too small.
25%, perhaps even more.
Government's talking about 13 and 17%.
It's too less. That 17% is very little.
I'm quite shocked by that figure, those figures.
It's like a drop in the ocean. It's too little.
If we lose the species from the ecosystem, then we're ultimately hurting ourselves.